आनी आतां खबरो विस्तारान. मडगांव आकेच्या मिलिटरी कॅम्पांतल्या सुमार 46 रहिवाशांनी आयज मुखेलमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत हांची भेट घेवन उपकार मानले. 1964 सावन हो मुद्दो घेवन हे लोक झगडटाले. मुखेलमंत्र्यान तांच्या जमनीची मालकी हक्क कागदापत्रां तांकां दिली. तांच्या वांगडा रेव्हेन्यू मंत्री जेनिफर मोन्सेरात आनी आमदार आवर्तान फुर्तादूय आशिल्ले. तांचेकडेन जागेची कायदेशीर कागदपत्रां नाशिल्ली. मुखेलमंत्र्यान उतर दिवन 2 म्हयन्यां भितर तांकां मालकी हक्क दिलो, अशें मंत्री जेनिफर हांणी सांगलें. तर आपणेन 2012 तांचें काम करतालो म्हूण लोकांक उतर दिल्लें तें करून दाखयलें, अशें आमदार आवर्तान म्हणटा. तर आवर्तानान आमचेकडेन पयशे मागले अशी फार्म कोण तरी घालता, तातूंत कांयच खरें ना, अशें एक लाभार्थ्यान सांगलें. हें काम आपणेन केलां अशी फट गजाल लुइजीन फलेरो सांगून आपूण क्रेडीट घेवंक सोदता, तांचेर लोकांनी विश्वास दवरूं नाका, अशें तांणी मुखार सांगलें. RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
They didn't have a clear title document to where they live, their properties now, and this was a pending issue for a very long time. I think it started in the year 1964. This was brought up in the assembly, and I assured them then that I would get it sorted out, and now it has happened within a period of 2 months. So they just came here to thank the CM for his support as well.
And Avertino, that we have got the ownership rights today. There are many people taking credit, but all credit goes to Avertino and Madam, because within a span of 2 months, Madam has done it, and from 2012 till now, Avertino sir is with me, and the CM, who has helped us in all the way, the BJP government, to get us our rights. We thank the BJP government, the present CM, Madam, as well as Avertano. Thank you very much.
How many houses it was? How many houses?
46 houses total.
So it was occupied by the military?
No, our land was, the military land was our land, and the land was taken by the military, and then we were shifted here in this land. We had paid all the compensation and all, but the ownership rights were not given that time. So now we have got the ownership rights through Madam and all the hard work, dedication of our Avertan and the CM.
So you came to meet CM today?
Yeah, we came to meet the CM to thank him, because for 55 years no one bothered to give us the title rights, but it's the BJP government with Madam, with CM, who has given us the rights today, and we thank them very much for that.
It was, the people were really longing for the ownership rights. The year when I was elected in 2012, I really promised them, and I brought our late CM, Mr. Parikar, to this village, where he also had promised them that I will do this and give it to you. Finally, today we have got the rights. I am very grateful to the Honorable CM and to Madam for doing this work to us.
वो आखो गांवच लोक आमगे हिंगा, हम तुमगे आख्या गांवच लोका उजे सांगता, एक नया पैसा तेण आमको गेलो ना. न्हू मग कसल्या कामां केदना जाय तेदो हांव सांगो तुका, आम सकाळी 8 वचोन तेगे देराचे माताय स्वताच, आनी तो देर गोद गाणा तेण म्हळ्यार तोंड पासून दिलो ना आसतलें, म्हळ्यार तो उगोण आसल्या तोंडान आम सगळ्यां भितर काडा. तुमकां आख्या गांवच्या लोकांक कोणें तेगे एक पयस दिला? कितू वर्स जाल तो आतां तुमचे वारबो तो भोंवता, केदना तेणें कितें मागील तुमकोडे? बेस्तें नांव पडे कोणाकाय.
क्लियरली सगळें काम तेणें केलां, पूण लुइजीन क्रेडीट घेवपाक मोता. तेणें कांय काम कोनासतना 25 वर्सां तो MLA आहलो, पूण तेणें कांय करूं ना. 10 वर्सां तो दिल्ली आहलो. 2010, 11, 12 हांव ते घरा वयतालो सगळ्या लोकांक घेवन पोतांचे म्हणटालो, पूण कांय करूंक ना. आनी ते 3 वर्सां जालीं, आम 2 म्हयन्या भितर पास करून धाडा, आनी आपूण मत पडा, आपूण केलो लोकां सांगता.